We were approaching Flinders Island, and I had to start planning my approach and landing. I knew that there was a bit of wind there, just did not fully realize what effect all the mountains will have on wind direction, velocity, and that I might have to adjust my approach if conditions are rapidly different from what I expected. At this point of my approach, I got a massive wind shear and I was pushed down from 1,000 feet to about 400. I knew I had to get out of those elements immediately. I decided to go with a shallow approach over water, as I assumed that the turbulence would disappear there. Low altitude, shallow turns, and final over water, that was the new plan. The wind dropped off totally when I was down. It was just fine.
Somebody was watching for you.